Hi there everyone, it's Sarah here and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I have an unboxing of my January Scrawlrbox. This is an art subscription supplies box and it costs me £15 per month, and you can cancel at any time and it gets delivered straight through my letterbox, so I don't have to wait for the postie to come and deliver it through the door. It's small enough that it can come through the letterbox. So I used to share videos of my unboxings of these, and I've kind of lapsed as time's gone on, and I thought, well, since it's the start of a new year, let's get back into it and I'll start sharing my boxes again, and start making a bit of a comeback to YouTube. I noticed that quite a lot of the old days YouTube crafty channels are kind of coming back to the fore again. I think this is probably a lot to do with the fact that YouTube is withdrawing the AdSense from channels that don't have a certain amount of subscribers or a certain amount of viewing hours. So I know that mine's is stopped, but it's time to get back into doing YouTube videos again. So I took a bit of time off. Many of you know I lost Chunky last year in August. Life's been busy. I've actually stopped doing workshops for the time being, just to let me get a bit of a rest. Work's been crazy, and we bought a new puppy in December, and I also bought a horse. So I've got a horse as well now, which I'm absolutely loving. And I'm actually going to do a story about her, probably next up on my YouTube channel, because things haven't really gone that smoothly with her since I got her, and we've had a few problems, and I think it would be interesting for people that have horses to see what I've gone through, and so I'm going to document that. So that's going to be my next video. So forgive me if there's pauses and I'm blethering and chatting on too much. It's been a while since I've been on here. So anyway, Scrawlrbox. I love these because they let me get a chance to use art supplies that I wouldn't normally pick up and buy. So I've had quite a few great things out of them recently. Just a shame I didn't record the videos, but you know, hopefully going forward I'll have another one due soon, so it might be through the letterbox this weekend actually. So in that case you'll get two for the price of one in February, where you see my January and my February box. However, let's get on. I'll open it up. It usually comes wrapped up in a bit of tissue paper, but I've already been in here. And this is what I got for the month of January. So what you get in it is you always get a Scrawlrbox sticker. I thought I turned off the sound on my PC, so apologies for that. Let me just get that sorted. There we go. So you get a Scrawlrbox sticker. In fact, it helps if I would put that there. And you also get a little card which tells you everything that you're getting in your box. And the other thing that you get is a featured artist. And this is the featured artist. You always get an A5 size postcard with a piece of art on it, and it tells you a little bit about the featured artist on the reverse side. So this is an 18-year-old Venezuelan freelance illustrator, known on the internet under the handle of @LittleGlobito. So it's kind of a bit Poirot-ish, you know, these kind of clowns and what have you. So that's what she's created using the supplies that came in the box. So what we're getting in January is a twin tip marker, which are these two. They're called Magic Markers by Studio Colours. and I have got the colour Manganese Blue and Blush, and it tells you on the top, you know, here what they are. They are twin tip markers, have a chisel and a fine tip for detail or broad mark making. They contain xylene free inks in a great range of colours that are virtually odourless and completely safe to use. So that's the chisel tip, and it's actually quite a fine tip. There we go, you can see that better there. So that's 2 markers, and it gets you do tend to get quite a few markers, and it lets you try all the different markers, which is, I think, is great. The next thing you're getting in it is a Palomino Blackwing 602 pencil, an iconic pencil crafted from genuine incense cedar that features a firm and smooth graphite core that helps it deliver on its promise of half the pressure, twice the speed. The pencil includes Blackwing's signature pink expandable eraser, enclosed in the unique design of the square brass ferrule. So if I hold that up, you'll be able to see that. And that's the pencil. It's not yet been sharpened. I love stationery and pencils and things. I don't think you can beat them. The next thing we're getting is a brass bullet sharpener. So this is a single-hold brass pencil sharpener with an unusual half-barrel design. The precision milled brass has 3 knurled bands, which gives a sturdy grip. The weight of the sharpener feels great in the hand. Now, it's a great weight, and quality sharp blade provides a perfect point. So let me just hold this up to let you see it. If my camera is going to focus, which it's not, hang on. There we go. So if I hold that there, and you can see as I rotate it, it's a nice design and a really nice sharpener. It's got a good weight to it. And then finally we're getting an Edding 1800 Profi Pen drawing pen. Profi Pen? Is that how you pronounce that? Yeah. The classic high-tech technical drawing pen has a metal frame, round plastic tip. The black pigmented ink is light fast, water resistant, and the cap also features a handy stainless steel clip. So that's the pen. And it's got a good, and that's the nib. I wonder if it tells you what size it is. A 0.1. There it is there. 0.1. And then you're also getting a Sylvine A5 field sketchbook, a 40-page sketchbook with 140 GSM textured acid-free cartridge paper and a black cover. Is flexible and ready to take on your next drawing adventure. So this is the other book that you're getting, and it's nice thick cartridge paper, and I'll be looking forward to using that so shortly. Now the final thing that you get when you get a Scrawlrbox is on the reverse of when it tells you what products you're getting in your box, it also sets you a Scrawler challenge, and it's in each month they provide you with a selection of art supplies and inspirations, and we also want to boost your creativity, so we're giving you a challenge to be interpreted in any way you wish. See if you can create something using only the supplies in the box. Good luck, and don't forget to share your creations with us with the hashtag Scrawler Challenge. And the challenge word this month is starlit. I haven't taken part in any of these yet, and I really should, so maybe that's what I should start doing, because I'm not a good drawer. I make crafty stuff, but I can't draw. But maybe I should start trying to. So I just thought I would share my goodies with you. So look out now for my Scrawlrbox contents and see how you like watching the goodies that I receive. And then hopefully I'll get back into YouTube again and start creating stuff. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you all soon, and bye for now.